and today we are gonna make the mango and coconut jelly, because why not? We get a lot of mango that's left from Auntie Grace's house. So first thing to do is to make the smoothie. And I think that's done. This is one of the recipes that we're gonna have today. Look how yellow that mango is. Look at that. It is so sweet. It's so nice. Thank you so much, Auntie Grace, for this mango. So now we just gonna have to move this to another container, and we'll see you in a while. So hello everyone and welcome back. And now that we already made a smoothie out of the mangoes, we're gonna pour it in. We don't have to turn on the stove yet. Just pour in all that beauty in that pot. Wow, this looks delicious. You can make ice cream out of this also. Just milk, and look at that. So nice. Nice color. So that is in. You just gotta stir, and depends on how sweet you want it to be. This mango is sweet enough, so I just put in one and a half tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna stir that in again. Incorporate the sugar nicely. Yes, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Just gotta stir nicely. Okay, and then we are gonna put in 1 teaspoon of that agar jelly. And you're gonna stir nicely. Yes, Daddy? Okay. Alright. Yes. You just gotta have to stir nicely. Stir. I'm thinking this too thick of a smoothie. So what I did is I just put in some water in that blender that we used just now and wash it off, because why not? And now that it's boiling, you just have to keep on stirring. And now what we're gonna do is to move that mango smoothie and the agar that we already boiled to a container like this one. And since we have so much of the mango left, I make it in small cubes like this. I'm gonna put in some under there, because it's nice to see those small cubes. Once the jelly is set with the coconut, it's nice to see small cubes. So we let it cool down and we'll let it settle in, and we are gonna do our next layer, which is the coconut milk. So see you in a while. Hi, hello, welcome back. And now we're going to do our next layer, which is the coconut milk. I bought this the other day and I freeze it so it looks like ice. And I got this little bit of coconut milk here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the agar and sugar here, and once it's ready to simmer, I'm gonna put in the coconut milk with ice. So let's see what's gonna happen there. We're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of sugar because coconut milk is a bit sweet, but not that sweet. It's better standard. And I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of the agar here. Whisk nicely, we're gonna whisk it nicely. And what I'm gonna do now is to turn on the stove. Turn on the stove. What do you think? Are we ready to pour it in? It's still a bit soft on some sides, so I don't want to ruin it really. So I think I waited long enough. I'm gonna pour in the coconut milk and just pray that I won't ruin this mango layer here. I'm gonna pour in with the, not directly on the container, pour it in with a spoon. I'm just gonna pray that it will settle. So I'm gonna cool this down and put in the fridge, and we'll see what happens later.